November 12th, a federal law will reclassify many legal hemp products as Schedule I controlled substances. This will essentially ban hemp products and leave some Kentucky farmers in a bad situation.
But a new bipartisan bill in Congress could keep the hemp industry alive, and Kentucky farmers are hoping it gets passed before it's too late. LEX political reporter Carolina Buchek has that story.
We're probably 2 weeks away before these buds start maturing.
On his farm in Georgetown, Chuck Tackett grows hemp.
But it is a very, very unique plant. I like the way it grows. Gosh, it's just been good to me.
But the crop that's been good to him and many other Kentucky farmers is in danger. You see, a new federal law will essentially ban all hemp products starting November 12th. Why would Congress do that? Lawmakers were trying to address concerns about kids getting access to intoxicating hemp products. But their solution will essentially kill Kentucky's hemp industry. It has already caused a lot of damage for farmers.
There's nobody buying right now. So we're sitting with last year's product. And there's a lot of labor involved in this. This is a hand-planted crop.
So they invested a lot of money into growing and harvesting hemp. And now, no one is buying it.
This is all hemp stored in these bags.
So they're stuck storing all of it.
I can smell it now.
Unable to make any money.
But this is what biomass has been milled looks like.
This bag alone is about 800 pounds of milled hemp. This is last year's crop. Take a look at how many bags there are on this farm alone. There's more than 100,000 pounds of this just sitting, waiting for Washington to take action.
I'd hate to have to destroy everything. That would really break my heart.
Tackett says his only hope is Congress passing a hemp product regulation bill. And Congressman Andy Barr has introduced one. It's called the Lawful Hemp Protection Act, and it would establish the first comprehensive federal regulatory framework for hemp products. Tackett says this bill gives hemp farmers a fighting chance.
If he can get that into play, I think we'll be good. I think things will come back. I don't think it'll be as strong as it was last year, but I think things will come back. Let's just hope that that happens. But right now, kind of dead in the water.
Many Kentucky farmers didn't even want to take the risk of growing hemp this year.
Probably 70% of the farmers that have been growing didn't grow.
Those that did scaled down by a lot.
You know, I'm only at about 10% of what I would normally grow, from 75 acres to 11, something like that.
Now, for Tackett, everything is up to Washington.
If nothing happens there and November rolls around and nothing takes place, it's going to be a long winter.
Yeah, that clock is ticking.
Quicker than everybody realizes.
In Scott County, Carolina Buchek, LEX News.